من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters. Today I have a little speech about Muharram and Karbala. But first I would like to start with a short story, a hadith, and a shir. The story is a true story. It is about Prophet Isa alayhi salam. Once when Isa happened to pass the land of Karbala, he sat down and began to cry. His followers who were observing him followed his suit and began crying too. But because they did not know the reason for this behavior, they asked him, "O Prophet of Allah, what is it that makes you cry?" Isa said, "Do you know what land this is?" The followers replied, "No." Isa then said, "This is the land on which the grandson of the Prophet Muhammad shall be killed." A hadith from Prophet Muhammad ﷺ. Surely there exists in the hearts of the mu'mineen, with respect of the martyrdom of Hussein, a heat that never subsides. This hadith says that you should never forget the martyrdom of Hussein, but how he saved Islam from the destruction of Yazid. A shir about Hussein. Shah hast Hussein, Padshah hast Hussein. Deen hast Hussein, Deen Panah hast Hussein. Sardar, Nada dast Dusti dar dast Yazid. Haqqa ke banaye la ilah hast Hussein. Hussein is the king. Indeed, he is the king of the kings. Hussein is Deen, and also the protector of Deen. He gave his head, but not his hand of allegiance, in the hand of Yazid. Indeed, he was the founder of the concept of one God. A few facts about Muharram and the Battle of Karbala. Muharram is the first month of the Islamic year. Muharram is a month of mourning and sadness that is commemorated to Imam Hussein alayhi salam and his companions' martyrdom. This martyrdom incident took place in the Battle of Karbala. The Battle of Karbala took place on the 10th of Muharram, 61 AH, in Karbala, which is in present-day Iraq. On one side of the highly uneven battle was an army of 72 relatives and companions of Imam Hussein alayhi salam. And on the other was a large military detachment of 5,000 to 30,000 soldiers from the forces of Yazid I, whom Hussein had refused to pay allegiance to. Hussein and all his supporters were killed, including Hussein's 6-month-old infant son Ali al-Asghar alayhi salam, and the women and children were taken as prisoners. This event is widely regarded as an event which saved Islam. Hussein is credited with saving Islam from oblivion by offering timely sacrifice to draw the line of demarcation between real Islam and the version promoted by the sinful tyrant Yazid. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. السلام عليك يا أبا عبد الله وعلى الأرواح التي حلت بفنائك. عليك مني سلام الله أبدا ما بقيت وبقي الليل والنهار. والله جلاه الله آخر أحد مني لزيارتكم. السلام على الحسين وعلى علي بن الحسين وعلى أولاد الحسين وعلى أصحاب الحسين برحمتك يا أرحم الراحمين. بل محمد وعلى محمد صلوات.